Today's video, I'm going to show you how to show rulers and guides in Photoshop and how to use them to perfectly align your designs with precision. Whether you're working on thumbnails, social media graphics, or professional layouts, this is one of those simple tools that can instantly improve your workflow. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Photoshop tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's talk about rulers. Rulers help you measure and position elements accurately on your canvas. To quickly turn rulers on or off, all you need to do is press Ctrl and R on your keyboard. As soon as you press it, you'll see rulers appear along the top and left side of your screen. If you press Ctrl R again, they'll disappear. It's a toggle, so you can switch them on and off anytime while working. Now that you have rulers visible, let's add guides. Guides are extremely useful because they let you line up text, images, and shapes perfectly. To add a guide, simply click on the ruler at the top or on the left side, then click and drag your mouse into the canvas. If you drag from the top ruler, you'll create a horizontal guide. If you drag from the left ruler, you'll create a vertical guide. You can place these anywhere you want, depending on your layout. You can also reposition guides after placing them. Just click on a guide and drag it to a new position. This makes it really easy to fine-tune your alignment without starting over. Guides are especially helpful when you're trying to center elements or maintain equal spacing across your design. Next, let's quickly show how to hide or show guides. If your canvas starts to feel cluttered, you can toggle guides on or off by pressing Ctrl and the semicolon key. This will instantly hide all guides, and pressing it again will bring them back. This is super useful when you want a clean preview of your design without deleting your guides. Now here's a small but important tip: locking your guides. Sometimes you might accidentally move a guide while working, which can mess up your alignment. To prevent that, go to the top menu, click on View, and then select Lock Guides. Once this is enabled, your guides will stay fixed in place until you unlock them again. And that's pretty much it. You now know how to show rulers, add guides, toggle them on and off, and lock them in Photoshop. These simple tools can make a huge difference in how clean and professional your designs look. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Photoshop tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.